Hey, Scott Gordon here. Today I want to give you an unbiased review about a bird feeder I just got from iBorn Gardens. Um, these have an 18-month warranty. They have some great products, and I just chose this one to put out on my live cam in the backyard. So let me show it to you. All right, this is from iBorn Gardens, and comes with an 18-month warranty. Great products for your garden. And I just got this new bird feeder, seed feeder. Good looking quality. Got a platform down there for the birds to light on. Going to put some new seed in it and put it out there on my live cam today. So we'll get to watch and see how the birds like this. But good quality, sturdy. Looks like it'll last a long time, and with an 18-month warranty, you can't beat that. So highly recommend this product. Okay, so I got the iBorn feeder up here outside on my live cam, and I filled it with fruit and nut wild bird feed. It's got sunflower seeds and white millet, peanuts, some raisins, and dehydrated cherries. So it's got a mixture. Let's see if we get any birds that come check it out for the first time. There's a few birds, American goldfinch and titmouse, checking out the feeder. We have a lot of goldfinches around. They love that feed. And a couple chickadees. They're so quick. They're on it and off of it again. It's like they love it. Highly recommend this product.